I've been with Exit Realty for 8 years now. The experience has been fantastic, and in my experience, it's been a little bit life-changing. The opportunity to grow and to be among this great culture. Really, it starts with interactions with other agents and our great broker, Kevin Kilpatrick. All those interactions have resulted in my personal growth to where I've done a lot more in my life than I ever dreamed I would have done, and seen growth in my personal life as well, to happiness and better relationships with my family. If you're looking to get into real estate, choose Exit Realty for the training we provide, the mentorship of having somebody that wants you to succeed. And that stems from a fantastic culture here at Exit, and I benefited greatly from. The biggest thing has been my personal growth.